friends, I hope you are doing well. I am Sandy if you're new, and I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel. I'm so close to 1,000 subscribers, and if you haven't subscribed, I invite you to. It doesn't cost you anything, and you get to hang out with me. Alright, so today's video, I am sharing with you what my Patreon members are going to be getting. So the first thing that I wanted to show is that I had made this, I did a whole video on this snippet that I made. And so each Patreon, it's the top level, the bluegrass level, they will get a snippet about 4 to 5 inches piece of this snippet roll. And you can see just on the beginning pieces. If you want to see the whole thing, check out the video where I showed you all where I made this. But I absolutely love how this turned out. So I'm excited to be providing that to my Patreon folks. And then another thing is a little sunflower wax seal. And they will all be different colors. They may not all be yellow, but it'll be a sunflower. So you can see it's a fall themed, this particular package that's going out. You'll get a little cluster that's made by me. Each one will be a little bit different. You will get a tag that's made by me. And I did a video showing you how I made these beautiful fall tags. And then I sewed around the edges and kind of inked up the edges. And I'll add a little bit of ribbon to that. I meant to do that before I shot the video, but I forgot. But I'll add a little bit of ribbon or trim or something up there. Then you'll also get one of these little guest checks. And I did a video on this as well, making this little pocket and then decorating it up. And you'll get one of those. And then there will be, not every packet will be the same, but you'll have some little stickers in there. You'll either have some flower stickers or some of these vintagey stickers and a little ticket. So you'll get that. And then you'll also get this beautiful fall napkin. Isn't that gorgeous? So you could do a whole lot of fun stuff with that napkin as well. And then you'll get this little 5-piece little vintage kit. So you'll get this top value. It won't get this exact one, but it will be, you know, one that's a top value. You'll get a bridge scoring card. You'll get one of these kind of a pay period bookkeeping little page, a old kind of postcard that's documenting this company and the work that they do, construction company. You'll get a little Rolodex card and a little green doily. So this is what is in this Patreon package. I'm so excited for my Patreon members. If you're interested in becoming a Patreon member, check out the link below, and I hope you join. It's a really good deal. I also have digital files that I've added, and I'll continue to add more. And there's other things, videos and things like that I'm going to be adding soon. So yeah, so I'm really excited for this Patreon pack this month, and I invite you to join, and I hope you do. All right, thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. One other thing that I forgot that to share with y'all, it's included in the Patreon package for my top tier, are these vintage postcards of our different national parks. So each Patreon will get one of these postcards. So there are some different ones. So you have this one from Yellowstone. Here is Yosemite. And you have the Grand Canyon. And here's the back. And then Montana and Bryce Canyon. Aren't these just so, I love the vintage colors. And Zion. And that volcanic park. I don't know where that is. And then this postcard. So yeah, so each person will get one of these.